In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize an invoice in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean, accurate invoice that reflects your brand and helps you get paid quickly without missing important details. From your QuickBooks Online dashboard, move your cursor to the Create menu to reveal your transaction options. This menu is your shortcut for anything you need to make, and invoices are right there. Click Invoice to open a new invoice form. You'll see a simple layout with fields for your customer, line items, totals, and a few customization areas we'll use in a moment. Start at the top by selecting a customer. Click into the customer field and choose an existing customer from the list, or create a new one if you don't see them yet. When you pick a customer, QuickBooks can pull in their billing address, email, and default terms, which saves time. Take a second to verify that information is current, especially the email address, so your invoice reaches the right inbox. Confirm the invoice date and due date to match your agreement. Next, add what you're billing for. Click Add product or service to bring up your item list. Select the correct product or service, then adjust the description, quantity, rate, and tax status if needed. If an item needs a clearer description for your customer, expand that text so there's no confusion later. Keep an eye on the amount column as you go. QuickBooks will calculate line totals and the subtotal automatically, including any sales tax based on your settings. Before you finalize, choose how your customer can pay. In the Customer Payment Options area, turn on the methods you want to accept, such as bank transfer or card, if those are available in your account. Enabling convenient options often speeds up payment, but be mindful of potential processing fees and make choices that fit your business. Use the Note to Customer box to add a brief, friendly message. This is a great place to thank them for their business, clarify what's included, add simple terms like when payment is due, or point out anything unique about this invoice. Keep it clear and professional. A good note can reduce back and forth questions. Once everything looks right, click Save. You'll see options to save and keep working, or save and close, and you can send the invoice when you're ready. That's it. You hovered on Create, opened a new invoice, added your customer, listed the products or services, set payment options, added a helpful note, and saved your work. With these steps, your invoicing will be faster, clearer, and easier for your customers to pay.